As a migrant domestic worker, this is my message to the world. I'm not just carrying my luggage, but also the dreams of my family. Every meal I cooked, every room I cleaned, every smile I shared was for my loved ones waiting for me back home. OFW are not just workers, they are heroes in silence. Daughters, sisters, mothers, and friends who fight battles alone with dignity and sincerity. We are not a threat to the community, yet we are the backbone of the society. We are not just doing our work by hand, but with our hearts and soul. To all my fellow overseas domestic worker, be proud and held your head up high, and let the universe hear your voice and feel your sorrow. I salute to you for being a fighter and a warrior. Don't be scared because you are not alone.
Hi, here is my story of my life as a domestic workers that I can share. As a single mother, I was willing to do anything to support my family's needs. Life was full of struggles, and I decided to work abroad as a domestic helper in the Middle East. It was not easy. The work was hard, and I faced many challenges. Eventually, I reached the UK, where I became a member of the Voice of Domestic Workers. This group became a turning point of my life. Through Voice of Domestic Workers, I found new family, support, education, meet some new friends, and new opportunity for a better future. Well, now I'm looking forward to learning more and building a brighter life for me and for my children with the Voice of Domestic Workers by my side. Thank you.